Hey, hi. So battery is good. This one is also great on battery. Remove this measuring mic a little bit. I'm gonna play from the laptop, but it is an MP3, but it's, I believe, 320 kilobits per second, and all these music sounds better than the music on Spotify. I'm trying, I don't know. I'm beginning to think that they say they use 320 kilobits, but it doesn't seem that they do, because it sounds kind of shittier to me. So might want to look that up. See if the camera is correct position. Well, as good as I can get it. Ow! That was loud. So, weird songs. Joseph City, Melodies and Desires, and Armageddon. And they're all weird. So, have fun with some weird music.
Red, green, blue, yellow. Red, green, blue, yellow. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Joseph City. Let's get out of this house. Oh, it smells like grass. Find the corner in your bed couch. Now it amounts to 60 cents. Let's take a walk to the candy shop. Down the road it's way too hot. Red, green, blue, yellow. Do 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 do.
Do exactly as I do. Lean your shoulders forward. Lay your hands slide over to my side. Move your body closer. Let your heart meet mine. Love is the harmony. Desire is the key. Love is the melody. Now sing it with me. Come a little closer. Take a look at me. This light is so obvious. I want you to see. Come a little closer. Look me in the eye. Then repeat with me one more time. Love is the harmony. Desire is the key. Love is a symphony. Now play with me. Love is the harmony. Desire is the key. Love is a symphony. Now play with me. You'll be the rhythm, and I'll be the beat. You'll be the rhythm, and I'll be the beat. And I'll be the rhythm, and you'll be the beat. And love, the shoreline where you and I meet. You'll be the rhythm, and I'll be the beat. You'll be the rhythm, and I'll be the beat. And I'll be the rhythm, and you'll be the beat. And love, the shoreline where you and I meet. Love is the harmony, desire is the key. Love is a symphony. Come sing some with me.
I'll do one more song, and that is from Spotify, so could be completely shy. Who knows? It's Winter, whatever. The one from the Marble Machine guy. The song itself is kind of... I like it, but it has a lot of reference to Jan Tiersen, and especially one song, which I cannot remember the name of, but it's... I don't know. I know it's the same sort of music, but it comes a little bit too close, I think. But anyhow, here it is. It is called Biking is Better. Well, I bike. I want to say I bike a lot, but no, but it's the only way of transport for me. But I try not doing it. I rather walk or take a tram. Anyhow, here it is. Does it ring a bell? Well, that's about it, I think, because otherwise, too much chunks, takes too long. Anyhow, I'm pretty pleased so far, but it's not in the final, I need to made it to this SP Acoustics woofer. and I'm not sure if that's possible at all. I hope so, because, well, it would be nice. Anyhow, if you want to support the channel, and if you like the content as well, should be well, would be nice if you like the content as well and want to support me. Would be weird otherwise. I hate the content, but I'll be a patron. So yeah, if you like it, please check out my Patreon in the link below. You can also do a one-time donation if you want to. Everything is welcome, and if not, that's fine as well. See you next time. Bye bye. Bloop.